Student, now we're going to see example 1.17. Let f be a function from R to R, real number to real number, defined by f of x equal to 3x minus 5. Find the values of a and b. Find the values of a and b given that the set of ordered pairs are given a comma 4 and 1 comma b belongs to f. That means function. Now check the arrow diagram. This is called x, this is called f of x. So domain, codomain, pre-images and images. Pre-images and images. So in the set of order given, first one is x, the second one is f of x. Okay, so input and output. Input means x, the output means f of x. And then second set of ordered pair, the first one is input and output. The input is x, the output also f of x. Okay, now f of x, what the formula is given the sum, f of x is 3x minus 5. F of x is 3x minus 5. So the first, you take the first one, a comma 4, a comma 4. The first a is x, the 4 is f of x, 4 is f of x. So f of x means 3x minus 5. So 3x minus 5 is equal to f of x equal to x. So 4, that means f of x equal to 4. In this sum, this is x, this is f of x. So f of x equal to 4. F of x equal to 4. So the formula is equal to 4. Okay, f of x equal to 4. So the formula is equal to 4. So minus 5 moved that side is a plus 9. So x is a. So it's replacing x with a. So 3a equal to 4 plus 9. So 3a equal to 9. So a equal to 9 by 3. 1 3s are 3, 3 3s are 9. A equal to 3. The same thing here also, f of x equal to b. F of x equal to b. Here also f of x equal to b. See 1 comma b. 1 comma b. This is x. This is f of x. So f of x equal to b. Okay. Understand the set of ordered pair. This coordinate number. This is for input, output, x, f of x. Okay. Okay. So f of x equal to b. What is the formula? 3x minus 5 equal to b. That is formula equal to b. And then x equal to 1. So 3 of 1 minus 5 equal to b. 1 3 is 3 minus 5 equal to b. So b equal to 3 minus 5 means minus 2, because bigger number having minus symbol. So bigger number having minus symbol. So put the answer in minus symbol. So b equal to minus 2. So a equal to 3, b equal to minus 2. Okay, this sum, there is a very important sum. Okay. Next one, example 1.18. The distance s in kilometers. The distance s in kilometers traveled by a particle in time t hours. Distance is s, time is t hours, is given by s of t equal to the distance of t is t squared plus t by 2. Formula is given. Find the distance traveled by the particle after 3.5 hours. What do you mean by 3.5 hours? What do you mean by 3.5 hours means? 3 1 by 2. 3 1 by 2. 3.5 hour means 3 1 by 2 hours. 3 1 by 2 hours. So in a mathematically 3.50. 3.50 hours. 3.50 hours. Okay, understand? 3.5 hour means 3.5 hours. Half hour means 50 hours in the mathematically. So first find out the find the distance traveled by the particle after 3.5 hours. Okay, the what is the formula is given? S of t equal to t squared plus t by 2. What is the time is given in this question? 3.5 hours. That means 3.5 hours. So 0 is not valued in the after decimal. Okay, so 3.5 hours. So s of 3.5. So replacing the t with 3.5, and then 3.5 the whole square plus 3.5 by 2. So multiply 3.5 into 3.5. The answer 12.25, because 2 decimals are. So 12.25 plus 3.5. Listen carefully. 12.25 plus 3.50. 3.5 means put the 50. Okay, 2 decimals are. So add this 15.7. 15.7 by. So 15.7 by 2. So just simply divided by 2. 15.75. Listen. 15.7 by 2. So 7 2s are 14. Balance 1. Put the decimal in the quotient, and then the 7 is down. So 8 2s are 16, balance 1, and the 5 are down. So 7 2s are 14, balance 1, and then put the and the given the 0 because already decimal is there. So 0. So 5 2s are 10. The answer balance is 0, remainder 0. So the quotient is 7.875. So kilometer. So after the distance traveled by the particle after 3.5 hours, 7.87 kilometers. 7.87 kilometers. Okay. Listen carefully, and multiplication and then division and addition also in the side of the rough work. Watch it very carefully. In example 1.18, the second sum is 8 hours and 15 minutes. Okay, 8 hours and 15 minutes. See, 8 hours and 15 minutes. 8 hour means 8. So time is 8. Point 15 minutes made convert into hours. So 15 minutes convert into hours. So how many minutes are given? So 15 minutes are given. So it's converted into hours. Very simple. Divided by 60. Divided by 60 because 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour. So any minutes are given in your sum, just simply divided by 60, it's converted into hours. So 1 15s are 15 and 4 15s are 16. So 1 by 4. So 1/4 means 25 hours, 0.24 hours, because 1/4 means, we know it, 0.25. 1/4 means 0.25. So 8.25 hours, 8.25 hours. So S of 8.25 in the formula, S of t equal to t square plus t by 2. So 8.25 the whole square plus 8.25 because t by 2. Just to multiply 825 into 825, we get the answer 680625, and 4 decimals are given. So 1 2 3 4 68.0625, and then add 8.25. See, 68.0625 plus 8.2500. Add to the zeros. Okay, so 5 2 11 3 16 and then 7. So 76.3125 by 2. So divide by 2, we get the answer. Listen, 76.3125 divided by 2. So 3 2s are 6, balance 1, and then 8 2 and then down the 6 is 8 2s are 16. Put the decimal in the above the quotient, and then 3 1 2s are 2, balance 1, and then down the 1. 5 2s are 10, 5 2s are 10, 5 2s are 10, and then balance 1, and then down the 2, and then 6 2s are 12. So balance 0, so down the 5, and the 2 2s are 4, balance 1. So put give the decimal 0. So already decimal in the quotient. So put the 0. 0 5 2s are 10. The remainder is 0. So the answer 38.15625. So the distance travelled by the particle after 8 hours and 15 minutes, 38.15625 kilometer. Suppose approximately 38.16 kilometer, because the third number above 5, add this before the first number. So 5 plus 1 6. So approximately the kilometer is 38.16 kilometer. Okay, this is also very important 5 mark sum. So watch it carefully. Thank you, students.